Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at a very simple but effective AI tool for your Shopify store, and that is Shopify Magic. So here we go. At first, let's add a product, upload the image. I'm gonna select another image of this product. Add a title. Okay, now we're gonna use Shopify Magic. So click on this magic icon. Here we go. For generating a description of this product, we need to provide some features as keywords, and Shopify Magic will do the rest. So this is Smart Garage Control. Let's have a look. Okay, it's a wireless garage hub and sensor. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And we can add a smartphone control feature. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's select the tone. We're gonna keep it as expert and click on generate. So our description is ready. Shopify Magic has generated this description using the given info, and it was so fast really. Here you can try different tones and make sure which matches the most. Okay, let's keep it for now. So now we're gonna try it in a different way. For this, we can copy a couple of lines from this about section and paste it here. So we have these two lines and we need to extend this. Again, click on this magic icon. Where it is? Oh yeah, we have to select this first. Now we can have three options here, and we're gonna select extend. So this Shopify Magic tool has completed the description. In this way, we can easily set a description within 1 or 2 minutes. By using this magic tool, we can also generate any headlines, titles, description inside Shopify. For example, in this hero section, we can add a heading using this tool. Just like before, we just have to provide the idea and select the tone. Here again, for any description, everything is just the same. So using Shopify Magic AI tool, we can easily write any description within a minute. When you have a lot of products, then it can save you a lot of time and effort.